In so many parts of the East Bay, weakened soil from the oversaturation and then those blistering winds we had today caused so many what are said to be healthy trees to topple over.
And some of them are really big, too. Crown 4's Philippe Djegal reports from Danville where a giant redwood tree hit a house.
This is the remaining stem. This is the tree that was compromised when we showed up.
By that time, Dustin Warner says one giant redwood tree had already fallen during Tuesday's storms. A worker immediately realized an adjacent redwood off Sycamore Valley Road in Danville was also swaying in the high winds, climbed and trimmed it, then tied it to another tree to keep it up before they take it down over the next few days.
One tree down, second tree almost down, and then the third tree, we're going to thin it to reduce the wind sail because when those winds pick up, it creates such a sail effect that without them being thinned, that one's going to topple over as well.
Warner is a certified arborist and owns Warner Tree Experts. He's concerned about this tree falling and clipping a house, destroying a fence and trampoline because there were no obvious signs ahead of the storms that it was in peril.
It was strictly the wind and the saturation. What I've seen in the last 24 hours is perfectly healthy trees that I would not be able to detect that they had any failures or they were prone to failure. The healthy, strong trees that I can't see anything with 100-mile-an-hour winds, all of the saturation, it's very unpredictable.
Warner expects more tall trees to fall in similar fashion in the coming months with prolonged stretches of powerful winds.
Thinning of the trees is important to reduce the wind sail. That way when an event like this happens, the tree's not toppling over.
The toppled tree damaged the water and sewage lines to at least one house, but avoided power lines, cars, or hitting anyone. In Danville, Philippe Djegal, Crown 4 News.